Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie and today I'm going to do a pour. I'm either going to do a ring pour or a straight pour. I'm not sure yet. So I'm using some of my leftover paint to create this. At the end I may do a ribbon, so let's just see how it comes out. So instead of layering just straight like this, I am going to layer two colors together at a time. So I just want to show you the consistency of the paint. Okay, so I'm using a 16-ounce cup. I'm using a clear cup, this way it's easier to see. So I think I'm going to do the white and this turquoise blue. Oops. Okay. And then I'll switch it. And then I'll do that. And switch it over. And then I'm just going to continue the same process. Okay, so I still have some left, but that's okay. So this is what the top of the cup is looking like right now. I'm trying to think, should I go that side, this side, or the gray? Let's go. Just gonna move it a little bit. I still have paint left, so I'll probably will do the ribbon. Just want to stretch it out a little bit. Bring it back. Okay, so I'm kind of pausing a little bit because I'm thinking if I just leave it and not do the ribbon, because I kind of like this effect going on. Okay, let's switch it. look like how this mirror is looking. Oh my gosh, this is pretty cool. Okay, so I'm not doing the ribbon because I like how this looks. It's kind of look like jewels popping up here. I was gonna move this over some, but I think I like it there, that it's not in the middle. Alright, so I'll show you guys up close. Okay, so I was cleaning up my area and scooping out the paint. I've mentioned before that I've used scrape up paint, and this is just what I mean. So this is what I've been collecting, and it's this nice pretty gray color. It's almost the same as the one that I put in this paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump it in here, and then I have a good amount of gray. Now for the leftover paint I have here, I'm not sure if I'm going to create something right now just to use this mixture, or I'll probably just end up putting it in my mixture here, and this just becomes a custom type of gray with all the leftover paints. Okay, so here's the close-up. Camera's not really picking up all the colors, but you can still see all the details. This is the area I was saying that looks like jewels. And we have all of this over here. Okay, I'll show you guys when it's dry. Bye.